Well, and welcome back. So today I have a very quick video for you all. I just got a package in from Mr. Hicks on the alltrac Facebook group. And let's go ahead and see if we can see what it is. So I'm actually in the process of doing a few things to the car. I'm hoping to be working on timing today and to make sure that's right. But I just got this in and I figured it'd be nice to check it out together. And not to spoil the surprise, this is a reproduction. I'm not sure from which group, because I know Will Henderson actually helped get a set made, so I'm not sure if it's from that group guy or what. But what we have here is more packaging. So I think you all by this point can have a pretty good guess of what it is. It kind of makes a sound that you would expect from such a thing. And I definitely can feel the texture. Come on, who's got the guesses so far? Before I get it open, go ahead and throw it down in the comments if you think you got it right. All right. So, we have a nice set of factory floor mats, which look pretty much brand new. Actually, they may very well be brand new, but they're reproduction. And I wanted something that looked better in the car. I'll show you exactly what I've been using for the past few years. I've actually been using a set I got from Big Lots years ago, and they did the job. They got some use to them, and that's what they've been good for. I haven't worried about them. I'm just put stuff on them and didn't care because they weren't nice. They're thin. They are what they are. The fabric, or the material actually matches well enough, but from the pictures that he posted with his interior, this is as good as I'm probably gonna get. And I'm sure somewhere in storage I still have a set of rears, but my fronts got ruined thanks to other people. But now I have something to make my floor look nice and good. And there you have it. You know, simple enough mod. Thanks for Will, if he actually is the one who got these made from the group buy. And also thanks for Mr. Hicks, who sent these to me pretty quickly in great communication. So anyway, more stuff coming in the car. Make sure you share with everyone because I'm trying to get back up to 1,000 subscribers. And like always, like and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.